Hello everyone. I wanted to create this video to showcase my trading algorithm called Overmind. This is an algorithm that I have been developing from scratch for the past 10 years, since I started my master's degree and PhD in computer science. When I say from scratch, I mean it. I wanted to make sure that I fully understood what I was doing, and also, I wanted to be sure that the algorithm was as fast as possible and fully customized to be used for trading. But enough about this, let's check some markets. Overmind can predict stock markets, crypto, forex, any market actually. But for convenience, I have been testing it using cryptocurrencies, as these markets are available 24/7. Some of the most important metrics that the algorithm calculates for each of the markets are a risk reward, a testing score, and an output score. We can use these to determine if we should trade these markets or not. At the top, we have Bitcoin. Let's check that chart. The white line represents the predicted take profit, while the black line represents the predicted stop loss. We have a nice risk reward because we are farther from the take profit than from the stop loss. This means that we are betting on making more than what we are willing to lose. Something that I really like to see is that Overmind predictions often look like support and resistance levels. The red and yellow areas is how Overmind sees the market. Overmind transforms its sources of input data into this. After analyzing these red and yellow areas, I noticed that Overmind seems to be trying to figure out how much resistance there is at different price levels. If the price is surrounded by yellow areas, this means that it's going to be harder for the price to escape from these price levels. If the price finally escapes the yellow areas, then it many times goes wild. There is no resistance. Then, new yellow areas begin to form, which become new high resistance price levels. And it seems that's how Overmind solves the mystery of how the price likes to dance. Let's observe other markets now. This is a market that I am currently trading. I am going to improve the UI and the UX, but for now, the blue line represents the entry price level, while the solid white line represents the take profit, and the solid black line represents the stop loss. We can see the dashed white and black lines. These are the newer recommendations from Overmind. It's telling us that this market is going to continue in an uptrend. we can use the action buttons to update the take profit, the stop loss, or both. But I'm not going to do this, mainly because I'm performing an experiment right now. I was planning on showing more markets, but I think I'm going to start a video series for that. It's going to be fun. I hope you found my algorithm interesting. This has been my passion for the past 10 years, so it will make me very happy to know that other people find it interesting as well. If you are interested in using my algorithm, please let me know. I designed the application so I never have access to your API keys, and the code for the front-end application is open source, so you can be sure that your money is safe. Unfortunately, the algorithm's code is not open source. See you later. May the Overmind favor you.